Yeah? Because not good. Because I want to say
Thank you or
You can steal one.
thank you.
Right. Everybody else has one. I hope everybody has read this. How many points are there on this piece of paper?
I wait tomorrow.
12. Right. I want you to tell one thing that you agree with here or disagree. I want you to find one thing that you think is a good idea or one thing you think is a bad idea on this list. I want your opinion.
Yeah, but about what?
Is it a good idea or a bad idea? On this piece of paper,
Oh, yeah.
there are 12 ideas. I want you to find one that is a good idea or a bad idea. Not your fault. Why not?
Thank you for having me on Facebook. Thank you.
Good to see you.
Why
I saw your book in another, the one that says My Learning Book.
My learning.
Yeah. Well, it's in another room.
Yeah? Yeah.
I'm going to find it for you.
Yeah.
Because we have to continue. Okay? Good. Okay.
They have Ivy. Yeah. I don't know.
Oh, you need another place. Here you go. There you are. Okay.
Where is Ivy?
Yep. Turn over. Okay. We have two things to do. One piece of paper has, it's scrap paper. It's not necessary. I want you to write your answer to these two questions. It says, what are your goals? How will you use English 5 years from now? I want to know, how will you use English 5 years from now? And then, what is your goal for learning English this week? Because you have a goal. If you don't have a goal, now you can make one. What does it say here, Kira? Example. What does it say here, Kira? Read.
I want to order a house.
A house?
What do you say?
Right. So, what did the person say? What will he learn this week?
Parts of a house.
Parts of a house, because it's a good thing to do. Each week, if his big goal is to have a business in the United States, if his big goal is to use English to give a speech in a convention or to understand a conference, or if his big goal is to have a business or a house in the United States, he needs vocabulary. So the student wrote this: I want to own a house in the United States, so I will learn parts of the house this week. Okay, so that was a specific goal for that person. Your goal will be different. I want you to write on this piece of paper your goal. This is magic paper. Anything you write on this will become true. Come on. It touched you up, right? But it is true that if you put your mind to a goal, you can create a beautiful lesson for yourself. Okay? So, please write your name, number 1, number 2. You can start writing now. Do you need a pen?
No.
Oh, you have a pen. That's so good. All right. Now think about, how will you be using English 5 years from now? That would be very nice. How will you use English 5 years from now? Bless you. Oh, see, that's a nice thing. Or, see, I just learned it funny. It's Betsy Mana. Chim Betsy Mana? Is that right?
Yeah.
Did I say it right?
Yeah.
Chim Betsy Mana. This means don't spit on me. Right. Chim Betsy Mana. Chim Betsy Mana. See, the way I remember this is because a good way to learn a phrase is, I don't know, maybe I pronounced this wrong, but we have a name Betsy for Elizabeth. And then Mana, I don't know, I just learned that. Jim Betsy Mana. And I think one of these words is saliva and spit, and then don't. Is that right? The saliva is Jim? And Betsy? Spit? Mana means not. Good? Okay. See, sometimes you just have, when you learn a phrase in another language, you just grab it.